my channel. Today, I decided I'm going to make this random vegan mac and cheese recipe and hopefully it turns out good. I basically looked through a ton of recipes on Pinterest and I kind of combined a few that I found interesting. I'm going to start and boil some pasta. So the pasta that I have is from Whole Foods and I like it because it's like these fat noodles and the cheese can just get in and get real thick, and then when you bite into the noodle it kind of squirts cheese in your mouth. It's the best. Hello from my second camera. We're gonna boil this right now. A lot of pasta for a lot of mac and cheese. So I'm gonna check on that in 8 minutes. Should I set a timer? Nah, I'm not gonna set a timer. I got my handy blender right here. I'm gonna add in a ton of things that I think a cheese sauce might need. I need a strainer. So I soaked cashews for about 15 minutes. I don't know, this just makes the cashews a bit more soft. You could do this overnight, but I was too lazy and forgetful. If you have a high-speed blender, you should probably be fine, but I did it just for the heck of it. So in goes 1 cup of soaked raw cashews. Next, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, and nutritional yeast is basically, I guess, a yeast that smells like cheese. So we're gonna start off with a 1/4 cup of that. So I'm also going to add some lemon to make it more tangy. So I got this big fat lemon. It already smells like mac and cheese. The best part about chopping garlic is smashing. Honestly, I think I might wait to use this to saute it. Yeah! Oh god. I want to add some miso to this. Some recipes called for mustard, but I don't want my mac and cheese to taste like mustard. Oh, interesting. Yeah, that smells like miso. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of miso. Hopefully, I don't regret this. Cool. Should I blend it? I haven't added any liquid in it because I want to see how thick it gets. 1 cup of vegetable broth. And this is just a low sodium one that I got at Whole Foods. I decided to go with low sodium just so I could control how salty this gets. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add another cup of cashew milk too. Ugh. Okay, great. Oh, okay, I'm gonna check on the pasta too because it might be overcooked. Okay, it's still a bit chewy. I'm gonna probably give it 2 more minutes and then I'm gonna drain it and drizzle it with olive oil so it doesn't stick together. Woo. 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour. Oh, okay. I'm gonna check on this pasta again. BRB. So I put the pasta in here in the meantime. It's nice and steamy, just perfect enough for your facials. This comes out really fast, so I'm just gonna try to be careful with it. Ooh, yeah, baby. Okay, so not a ton, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and I'm just gonna mix this around just so my pasta does not stick together, because that would be really annoying later on. Now what? Oh, nothing happened. So I got this really cool seasoning from Trader Joe's. It says Mushroom and Company Multi-Purpose Umami Seasoning Blend. So I think this would be perfect to add in, because we want that umami savory flavor. You could totally just use regular salt, but I just thought this could give it a good flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna add another cup of the cashew milk. So right now we have 2 cups of cashew milk and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Ooh. I'm gonna add a bit more of lemon juice, about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of regular salt. Make that a teaspoon and a half. As you guys have noticed, I'm pretty chill with my cooking. I kind of just do whatever seems right. And I'm just gonna add a splash more of vegetable broth to give it some more savory flavor. This is about 1/4 cup. Cool. Ooh, I'm gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika. Let's call this 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, mommy. Ooh. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to saute some garlic and onion in here with some vegan butter. I'm gonna add that cheese sauce in here to kind of thicken it up. But I had this concern if it didn't taste cheesy enough. I bought these 2 types of vegan cheese. This is a Miyoko's cheese wheel, and this is classic Chive. And I thought this would be so good and make it real creamy. I got this Violife Parmesan, and it's 100% vegan. I'm hyped. So excited. Ooh, that smells good. I also bought crackers. So these are the cheeses right here. I just opened this one and let's take a little taste. This looks amazing. Oh my God, that's so good. Wow. I think I'm gonna add some of this into my cheese sauce because it's so creamy. Want to appreciate how much it looks like Parmesan. Like, that's so cool. I saw this in the vegan cheese aisle and I was like, there's no way, but it exists. It's a bit dry and crumbly, but it definitely does not taste like Parmesan to me. I probably will not add this to my cheese sauce. Behold, an onion. Also, I think it's so weird that I'm cooking like this in front of you guys. I like low-key feel like I'm on Food Network, but like the very like budget kind. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna add the onion first. It'll take a bit longer to cook than the garlic. I'm adding more butter, by the way. Oh my God, this is a strong onion. Burn, baby, burn. Actually, no, don't burn. Kind of wish I had like a beer, you know, just like I could casually just drink beer and eat cheese crackers. When you're making a decadent dish, you gotta have a decadent drink. I'm having Modelo today. So our onions are getting a little brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this garlic. Bust down, Tatiana. I'm gonna chop up some parsley because I feel like that'd be good to add some fresh greens, you know. I'm gonna try to not burn this because it looks like it's getting pretty brown. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this cheese sauce. There we go. Yeah! So I'm gonna add a bit of parsley in it. Ooh, yes, this is gonna be a game changer. So you don't have to add this if you don't want to. It honestly tastes good on its own, but I really wanna make this dense and creamy. But I'm just gonna experiment, you know? Oh, and this is getting so thick, you guys. Wow, thicker than oatmeal thick. Oh, I forgot to set my oven. So I'm setting my oven to 400 degrees so I could put this in a casserole dish and then just like make it super bubbly and hot and just yummy. And I forgot to buy panko breadcrumbs. So if you have panko or are going to the store, get breadcrumbs because that would add a super good crunch on top. I guess I was pendeja and I forgot, but it's okay. Yum! This is how our cheese sauce is looking. It looks so creamy, so thick. It's so good. Grind some pepper. Yum. Add some of the pasta in here just because it'll be easier to mix in a bowl. Okay. I'm just gonna pour this in here. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Yes. Guys, I'm so happy. This is a very exciting moment, obviously. Yes. Do you guys hear that sound? It's like, oh, it's so soothing. So just making sure everything is very well coated. And just to make things more exciting, I'm going to add a bit of this cheese on top. Oh my gosh, look at it. It looks so amazing. Oh, wow. Wow. Yes. Clearly, I'm very excited because the most I really do with myself is eat hummus and crackers for lunch. So to make vegan mac and cheese so early in the morning, I shouldn't say that as I'm drinking a beer. It's 12 in the afternoon. So I don't know how long I'm gonna put this in the oven for. I'm going to probably put it in for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So it has been about 15 minutes. Oh, it's been about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Oh my gosh. But now we dig in. Oh God, so good. This is so good. So I'm gonna try this with some Cholula, just because I felt like Cholula would be good with like cheese. Oh yeah. What a great Monday. Well, you guys, that was my cooking video. I was kind of nervous about doing this just because it's so different than my regular videos of me just sitting in my room. If you guys do enjoy these kinds of videos, let me know down below in the comments because I love cooking. Well, thank you guys again for watching this, and I will put my recipe down below. Thank you for supporting me and watching my channel, and that's it. Bye-bye.